The Dreo Pilot Max Tower Fan stands out as the top overall tower fan in 2024. This fan, which combines aesthetics with functionality, is quiet, robust, portable, and user-friendly. While it lacks compatibility with HomeKit or IFTTT, its support for Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands should suffice for most smart home setups. This winning tower fan features a black plastic inner cylinder measuring 19 by 3.2 inches HV, equipped with slanted fins for optimized air movement. It employs a brushless motor with 12 speed settings and operates at a whisper quiet noise level of just 25 decibels. The tower is designed with a grille on the front, back, and left side, functioning as an air outlet and air vents respectively. This fan provides 4 operating modes: normal, natural, automatic, and sleep mode. In normal mode, it runs at a constant speed, while in natural mode, it shifts gears to mimic the feel of a natural breeze. Automatic mode adjusts the speed according to room temperature, and sleep mode gradually reduces the fan speed every 30 minutes. Users can choose from 4 oscillation angles: 30, 60, 90, or 120 degrees, or deactivate the oscillation feature entirely. The unit also comes with a timer that can be set between 1 and 12 hours for automatic shutoff. An array of tiny icons indicates the current operating and oscillation modes, timer status, and whether the system sounds are muted. The Dreo Pilot Max Tower Fan is easy to assemble and even easier to use. It's lightweight enough to move around your home and stylish enough to blend with any decor. With ample control options, including an accompanying app, voice commands via Alexa or Google Assistant, and an included remote control, this fan ensures user-friendly operation. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.